Yeah, I said that. Be yourself. Because after I started, I was giving workshops for years, and I would take people out and show them how I worked the flash, and then people are quite impressionable in the class, Doesn't matter if I'm doing the class or some other well-known photographer. Some people in the class do pictures like you. Doesn't matter. One week, there'll be a landscape guy, and next week there'll be a street photographer. The week after there'll be still life, whatever. Okay. So I realized two things from my workshops. I realized that everybody should be themselves. Don't try to be someone else. So my title, my workshop, Be Yourself. And another thing I realized, which now I just forgot, and I'll try and think of it again, but to think of, you also have to be quite passionate about what you want to do. You can't, like I had one kid a young adult, he was Italian. I said, well, okay, what do you want to photograph? He says, I don't know. I said, you don't know what you want to photograph? We took the workshop here. I think we're in Boston. No, we're in Italy. That's right. No, Spain, sorry. And I said, you don't know what you want to, I said, you're in bad shape then, because if you don't know. And the other thing I learned, that's the other thing I learned from the workshop is, when I tell people to look at magazines, that was the opposite of what I was instructed to do when I started photography. They said, don't look, just be yourself, just go out. And I looked because I needed to know where I'm going. I had no clue. So I was getting my ideas of what to do from looking at other people. But of course, you're going to be more imitative at that point until you become yourself, if you become yourself. So I think it's important to look at things, see what you like, but not everybody knows what a good picture is, and they're never going to know what a good picture is. So I said, how instructive is that? But again, like there are people that I take my workshop that I help after the workshop because I know they're passionate, and I know they care. And if I can help them, I will. And others, just go off to the wayside. But I think, and also, people should learn that it's very hard to make money. And they don't teach you that in school. Because we have tons of people working at Magnum that all went to photo school. And then they're working 5, 10, 15 years in Magnum, doing their pictures when they can at 3 o'clock in the morning or something. And, they're not taking pictures. So it's very good if you have a husband or a family that's rich, or you're rich, or you can support yourself doing something else and do your photographs. But that's something also that they don't teach. So what else can I say? I don't know.